The FD1000 force deflection QA system measures the force pushed back against the measuring disc over time. Measured by ILD test standards, we can determine if a bed is inconsistent and catch manufacturing problems prior to packaging. The measuring disc pauses at 2 levels of compression. 25% and 40% is the ILD test standard. The test takes 25 seconds and its full cycle is in line with production. The standard is first established by running a series of tests on a product. From this initial test, the standard is created based on customer needs to measure all products within that SKU. If the force of a product measures above the standard, the product is not consistent with the established tolerances. This is a warning that the product may not be the right one for the build. Also, if the product measures below the standard, the product might also be inconsistent. We see an example of this with the blue line falling below the standard. The goal is to prevent inconsistent product from being packaged and sent to a customer. This test allows us to quickly check the production accuracy and address trends of inconsistencies throughout the production line. All testing points and the established standards are adjustable to suit the needs of your product, operations, and goals. Manufacturing issues that are causing returns can be prevented. Learn more about the force deflection test online.